In this video, I'll demonstrate how to restore the cervical area of a canine tooth. First, we apply Teflon tape to retract the gum tissue, clearly expose the margin, and improve moisture control in the area. After carefully applying the Teflon, we selectively etch the enamel with phosphoric acid, rinse thoroughly and dry completely. Next, we apply a self-etching primer, clear fill C-bond, followed by the adhesive system. We then light cure according to the manufacturer's instructions. The next step is applying the resin. We gently apply small touches of resin, avoiding scratches and keeping it smooth with minimal excess at the margins. There will always be a tiny bit near the gum tissue, but we keep it to a minimum. Using a multi-bladed burr, I remove excess. Note how the gum is barely affected when we remove the Teflon. With an abrasive disc, I remove coarse excess. Then, using abrasive tips and irrigation, I polish the area. Final polishing is done with rubber spirals to complete the entire process.